Hi everyone, thanks for checking in. Today I'll be showing you a video tutorial on how to subtract in Excel. Open up your MX Excel sheet where you want to perform the subtraction. Now you click on the cell where you want the subtraction result to appear. Now you type in the equal sign, the first number you want to subtract, the minus sign, and the second number you want to subtract. Once you're done, you press the enter key on your keyboard. Now the subtraction has been completed and you can see the results on the screen. So that's it guys. That is how you can easily subtract in Excel. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe to the channel for more useful and informative videos like this. Bye guys.